guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. It is a beautiful day outside, and I think that you guys need to make sure you get outside at some point, or you sit by a window, or you open your window, anything, because it's going to be gorgeous out today. And I think we all need a little bit of fresh air for sure. So just so you guys are aware, I switched the colors. So they were the same, the 7th and 8th grade and the 9th through 12th grade. And I think it was causing some issues. So I've changed the colors to differentiate that there are two different assignments. As usual, I included a daily video right here. I explained this to you guys yesterday that there's a digital escape room. If anybody does them, please, I'm telling you, let me know. So that way we can at least maybe even provide some feedback to the librarians that created it and let them know that it's helping you keep yourself occupied or something like that. So you're going to watch my daily video. You guys are then going to watch Mr. Stevens' presentation on equality and equity. These are two key words that are very important when it comes to talking about social justice. So knowing the difference between these two terms, because they seem very similar, but they're different. So you need to make sure that you understand the difference between these two terms. And then you're going to respond to the questions that are on, I do this every time, questions that are on the Google form. So you're going to just click on that link, and you guys know that when you click on it, it's going to give you your questions. So you have your name, define equity, define equality, which is better when it comes to social injustice. So that's an opinion-based question, guys. It's not one or the other is better. And then you're going to explain the image above and tell me what is it showing. So that is what your assignment is for today. And if you want to open up the presentation, Stephen does a little bit more explaining and discussing it. So that's why I want you guys to watch Mr. Stevens' video. But afterwards, so you don't have to watch it again, you can go to the link to this presentation to view it if you just want to go back and look at the different terms and their meanings and examples and stuff. So that's there for you. We're going to be doing a Zoom session on Friday at 1 o'clock as usual. We're not sure what the theme is, but as soon as I know, I'll let you guys know. Your teachers are meeting today. And phone calls to families are actually going to be happening this week. So if you have any questions, you should let your parents know that you have questions, because your teachers are going to be calling to give, an update and talk to them and just check in and see how everything is going, how everybody's doing. So if you do have questions, this is a really good time for you to let your parents know, because they can relay it to your teacher. Okay. So today's word of the day, just so you guys know, is umbra. So umbra is a conical shadow excluding all light from a given source, specifically the conical part of the shadow of a celestial body excluding all light from the primary source. It also defines it as the central dark part of a sunspot or a shaded area. So this is a very scientific type of word. So in order to just quickly show you guys, I went to NASA's website just so you guys could see. And so it's typically referring to the time when we have a solar eclipse. I think a solar eclipse, either solar or lunar, but it's when the light is hitting here and then the earth is kind of blocking it, creating this shadow right here. So you guys see the shadow right here? The shadow is our umbra. So that way you guys are informed. We learned a new word today, if you hadn't learned it already, in science with Nariesta. And so I think that's all I have for today. Nothing too crazy. I hope you guys have a fantastic Tuesday. It is, like I said, going to be a really beautiful day. So if you can get some fresh air or something like that, please do so. All right, guys. And so I will see you around, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.